Take a clean mason jar, some beautiful designs ideas with mason jars and fairy lights. Take a clean mason jar, fill it with warm white fairy lights, and tie a rustic jute rope or a satin ribbon around the neck. Place it on your dining table or coffee table. It becomes a centerpiece that speaks of warmth, love, and creativity. With simple wire handles, you can hang jars on your garden, balcony, or porch as light falls. These glowing jars look like floating fireflies on the dark, perfect for evening gathering or quiet night under the stars. For festival, add red and green ribbons, tiny ornaments, or pine cones with the lights. For Eid or Diwali, use golden fairy lights with colorful beads inside the jar. They all instantly lift the festive spirit. Mount mason jars onto wooden boards, insert fairy lights, and hang them on the wall. This creates rustic yet elegant wall decor, perfect for bedrooms, cafes, or cozy living rooms. Add printed photos or handwritten notes inside along with the lights. These jars glow not only with lights but with memories. They make heart-left gifts for loved ones. Fill the jar with solar-powered fairy lights and place them along garden pathway. They will glory every evening without electricity, making your garden feel like a fairy tale. Each idea can be used as simple or as delicate as you want. That's the beauty of recycling craft. There are no limits. It depends on your mind. Now, beyond beauty, let's talk about what this craft does for your mind and soul. Working with your hands, creating something from scratch and watching it glow brings immense peace. Crafting reduces stress, increases focus, and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Even jar you design become a small victory. It tells you, like, yes, I can create beauty with my own hands. That builds confidence and positivity. Families who do this together also grow closer. Imagine parents and children decorating jars together, laughing, painting and adding lights. Paint some X-Max trees with beautiful snowmen. It's more than decoration, it's bonding, it's learning, it's therapy. And every time you light up a mason jar, it reminds you of calmness. Instead of staring at a screen or phones, just sit beside your glowing jar. Sit, sip tea, and let your mind relax. That's the power of simple crafts. Here's something exciting: you can turn messenger recycling into a business. Homemade crafts are in high demand. People love eco-friendly decor, unique gifts, and warm lighting for their homes. With messengers and fairy lights, you can create products that are affordable yet highly desirable. Start small, make a few designs, and show them to friends, family, and neighbors. To move online platforms that Instagram, or Facebook are perfect for selling handmade items. You can also take part of local craft fair or weekend markets. Customers are not only just buying a glowing jar, they are buying your creativity, your story, and your sustainable vision. As your business grows, you can even offer customized jar wedding decoration, birthday return gifts, festival packages, or restaurant lighting. The possibilities are endless, and the best